So let's go to search. So let's go to search.jsx. Come into search.jsx, we import connect up here, show card and header. Cool, that all looks really good. What's going to be really cool about what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate state from search, and we're going to eliminate handle search term change. So, and we're going to eliminate props here. So all this stuff is going away, which means search has now become a stateless functional component. So now we can migrate this back into something that's a little bit more simple. So we're going to say const search equals this, and we're going to get rid of that. Okay, so now this is back to being not a class anymore, but being a function. It's going to take in props, which are going to be, we're going to have to type those props. It's going to take in search term, which is going to be a string, and it's going to take in shows, which is going to be an array of show. Okay. Then here, instead of saying search term equals that, we're going to say is equal to props.search term. And handle search term change is going to be equal to props.handle search term change, which we'll write here momentarily. I guess that's one worth putting on there, is handle search term change is going to be a function. Instead of having props.shows, it's going to just be just that, no this. This is going to be props.search term. That's getting just a little bit more succinct each time. Oh, not even that, I forgot. Okay, so actually drop this handle search term change. Because now what we can do, instead of making search have to worry about handle search term change and all this kind of stuff, it can just make header write directly to Redux, and it doesn't have to be the intermediary anymore, right? So actually get rid of all of that. And this is just going to be show search now. Yep, that's exactly it. And now we're going to filter on props.search term. Why is that upset? Oh, that's right. So we're going to run up into a flow edge case right now. It's pretty good about following through, but because we're inside of a block, which is inside of a block, here, it actually can't follow it further enough for ESLint to say, hey, you're never using this prop type. We actually are. It's just ESLint can't go that deep. It's not smart enough, right? It's not actually evaluating your code. It's doing static analysis. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to say, I know that this is what you think, but you're actually wrong. ESLint disable line react / no unused prop types. And this is just us telling ESLint, no, I know better than you. Okay, now we need to make a map state to props down here. So we're going to say const map state to props equals state. And we're going to return an object of search term is state.search term. And then we're going to call connect with map state to props. And we don't need this component up here anymore. Okay, so now we've successfully disentangled that that component state from search. It's now totally reading from Redux, and it no longer has to care about writing to Redux because that's going to become header's problem.